Hello. My name is Teresa and welcome to this channel. Do you value the health of your eyes? If the answer is yes, Ocuprime is a true ally. With an advanced formula, Ocuprime is a dietary supplement made up of vitamins, minerals and herbs to maintain eye health. It's the brainchild of Dan Trout, who has always been fascinated by eyes and vision. And I will leave an important warning about Ocuprime, which is only sold on the official website, and I invite you to click on the blue link below for more information. And this link will take you directly to the official website, and there, you will find details about this incredible eye health package. And now I'll tell you. Imagine having sharper, clearer, healthier vision. With Ocuprime you can experience these incredible benefits, which will be: sharp vision, improves the health of your vision, helping you to have a keener perception of the world around you. Healthy eyes, reduces the risk of eye problems. Long-lasting comfort, eliminates eye fatigue and enjoys comfortable eyes all day long. Antioxidant protection, benefit from powerful natural antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage. It is rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Helps reduce inflammation. And the capsules are easy to swallow and easy to digest. Consume 1 capsule with water in the morning for breakfast and 1 capsule with water in the evening for dinner daily. And each pot comes with 60 capsules. Powerful ingredients carefully selected from nature. Herbal. GMO-free. No stimulants. GMP certified. And made in the USA. And if I regret it, will I lose the money? We believe so much in our product that the risk is on us. Therefore, within a period of 60 days from the first purchase, if you are not satisfied with the product or just request a refund of the money, we will do so without any questions. And if you want to see more clearly, protect your eyes, and have healthy long-term vision, Ocuprime has been marketed as nature's secret to healthy eyes and vision. Their capsules are a patented blend of 24 powerful natural ingredients, including vitamins, minerals and herbs. Is the right choice. Don't wait any longer to take care of the health of your eyes. Click on the blue link below and this link will take you directly to the official website. Go here and experience all these benefits today, and start to see a difference in your vision and eye health. This site is highly secure. We use industry-leading protection technology to keep your information 100% secure. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.